The foreign exchange markets.
The price of one currency in terms of the other is known as exchange rate.
Nominal and real exchange rates and purchasing power parity. Two currencies violent symmetry. The domestic currency's amount can be valued as the exchange rate to buy 1 unit of foreign currency, which is called bilateral nominal exchange rate. On the other way, when the ratio of foreign to domestic prices is measured in the same platform, is called real exchange rate. To calculate nominal effective exchange rate, NEER, the nominal exchange rate of the rupee against the currencies of other trading partners is measured in aspect of their share in India's trade and the aggregated rate depict then the NEER. On the contrary, the real effective exchange rate REER interprets the quantity of the domestic goods as required to purchase 1 unit of respective foreign goods. Here's when the real rate equals to 1. It gets the purchasing power parity. Flexible exchange rates and speculation in short-term motives. In a system of flexible or floating exchange rate regime, the central banks have no role officially to reserve the transactions as it is solely driven by the forces of market demand and supply. At the time of short-term moves in floating exchange rate systems, it can reflect speculation. In the extreme points, central banks intervene in the process despite the floating regime. The values of domestic currency can be increased to attract the foreign investment, which was driven initially by the higher interest rates, and vice versa. Fixed exchange rates. Fixed exchange rates or pegged exchange rates stay always unchanged against either the value of another single currency to a basket of other currencies or to another type of measuring, like gold. It is typically used to stabilize the value of a currency by directly fixing its value, which sets the situation more predictable at the time of trade between two countries.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions, and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.